Mr. Little Friend.
You scared me.
I'm sorry.
I do. You're still alive.
It sure is, Ruby. But be careful not to eat too fast. Ruby, if I were you, I would eat slowly so I don't get hiccups.
How can I stop it?
Well, hiccups usually go away on their own.
Alright, I'll wait. Hey! I waited, but it didn't go away.
You have to wait longer than that. How about you play in the living room?
Okay. Aww. Will it ever go away?
Ruby, is there something wrong?
Well, I got hiccups.
I got an idea. How about you hold your breath, that way it'll stop your hiccups?
Well, I'll try.
Great, one more second.
I couldn't hold my breath. One.
That didn't work. Hey, what's the problem here? I tried to stop Ruby's hiccups. Do you have any ideas? Ruby, you should try hopping on one leg while holding your breath.
Oh. I'll try. Ow!
You okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Oh my goodness.
Guess it didn't work.
What if I have them forever?
I heard that hiccups may go away by giving you a scare.
Well, nothing scares me.
Oh,
You scared me.
Mom. Well, the balloon pop won't work. I got this.
What is going on? Where's Beach Ball?
Boo!
You scared me.
I'm sorry. At least your hiccups are gone.
Great.
Ugh, I thought that would work. Hey, I got a cure up my sleeve. Are you sure this a good idea? I'm sure if she stands on her head, she'll stop hiccuping.
Grassy too. Grassy? You only do it when you have the hiccups. You make it go. Okay, Ruby. I'm okay.
Okay, that didn't work.
I know how to fix this. I heard drinking water can stop the hiccups. Alright, I'll try. Did the hiccups stop? No.
Well, sorry to say this, but I think you should stop making dinner since I gave you the hiccups.
But rice is my favorite and Blocky's favorite. It wasn't the root that gave me hiccups. I know it wasn't. And besides, I think they're gone. Listen.
Perhaps I scared them away by saying I can't make dinner anymore.
No, Bubble. I think they went away on their own. Just like you said. But are you really going to stop making some dinner?
Ruby, I was just teasing.
Thank goodness. I was hungry tomorrow.
Such a great joke.
Oh dear. I think I got hiccup now.
subscribe to the channel. Oh, Bartoonito and watch on full episodes on YouTube on our first channel, and please and subscribe.